I've been making this lasagna for over 20 years now. So here in my bowl, I have a 28-ounce thing of ricotta cheese. The hardest part of this is opening the dang cheese. So I'm just gonna dump that on in there. I got my little egg canister. I'm gonna get out 2 fresh eggs from my chicken pen. I'm gonna crack these in here. I'm gonna sprinkle in some Italian seasoning, a couple of tablespoons worth, a pinch of some salt, about a cup of Parmesan, which is about what's left in here. And I'm just gonna stir this all up. All right, so I'm gonna set this aside. I got me a pan. Now I gotta make me a little assembly area here. So I made the sauce. It's not like dump it upside down so it doesn't fall, but right there, y'all see it? I made the sauce with some fresh garden tomatoes, and it's got ground beef in it. So I just ladled me a little bit of sauce in the bottom of my casserole dish here. I'm using a tinfoil one for easy cleanup. Just enough to spread on the bottom. It was 1 big ladle worth. Now this time I did actually use fresh tomatoes from my garden, and I made my sauce that way, while usually I use canned tomato sauce. And now I have got oven ready lasagna noodles. These are a game changer. I used to boil my noodles, and then I found these, and I'm telling you, oh my goodness. And I'm gonna snap this one off a little bit so it fits. Now I'm gonna start layering. I'm gonna put half of the cheese down, or half of the ricotta cheese down. I'm gonna spread that to go over the lasagna noodles. Now I'm gonna take mozzarella cheese. I've got 2 bags of mozzarella, and sprinkle some of that on. The whole bag, which is some. So just layer that around. I'm gonna take another big old ladle of this sauce, and I'm just gonna spread that over. Now I'm gonna top this with a package of fresh mozzarella cheese sliced. I've got my oven preheated at 375 degrees. I'm gonna put this in, and it's gonna bake for about 45 minutes.